Centipedes, like their cousin the millipede, they're not truly an insect, they're an arthropod. Centipedes are a little larger than their millipede cousins and have fewer legs, but the legs are a little longer. They can live for about 6 years. The house centipede has a little smaller body, but a lot longer legs, so they look a little scarier. Like the millipede, they live in mulch and pine straw and other damp areas around your house. They'll come inside when the weather changes. When those damp areas begin to dry out, they'll go on the move looking for more moisture. When it rains heavy and those damp areas get too wet, they'll move to look for drier places to live. So all of this movement will invariably bring some of these pests into your house. Whether you're seeing the traditional worm-like centipede or their more bristly cousin, the house centipede, you can control these pests by spraying the interior and exterior perimeter of your home. We have a kit called the General Pest Control Kit. It contains an aerosol spray for a quick kill, a concentrate that you can use inside and out, and a granular bait to sprinkle around for them, as well as some monitoring traps so you can see what pests you actually have. Even though centipedes are kind of scary, they don't come in the large numbers that millipedes do, and they're relatively easy to kill. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and for more content like this, subscribe to Do It Yourself Pest Control.